Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. This is Let's Talk About English, where learning English feels easy and friendly. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. We're very happy you're here today.
Today's topic is one of my favorites. We're going to talk about food. More specifically, ordering meals in English.
Yes, this is very useful English. You can use it in cafes, restaurants, or when you travel.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you like this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it. It really helps us.
All right, get comfortable. Let's learn together.
First, let's start with some basic food words. Listen first.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Good. Now repeat with me. Both slowly. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Great job. Now let's use them in sentences.
My breakfast is eggs and bread.
Nice. Here's another one. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Very real, very simple. Now lunch.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
My lunch is rice and chicken.
Perfect. And dinner?
I have dinner with my family.
Good job. You're already improving. Now let's go to a restaurant. You sit down. The waiter comes.
The waiter says, "Hello, can I help you?"
A very common answer is, yes, please.
Let's repeat. Yes, please.
Now, this is very important. To order food, we often say, I would like.
Listen again. I would like.
Repeat with us. I would like. Great. Now a full sentence.
I would like a coffee.
I would like a sandwich.
Very nice. You can also say, can I have?
Yes, this is also polite. Listen.
Can I have a tea?
Repeat. Can I have a tea? Good job. You're doing really well.
Now let's make a short dialogue. Just listen first.
Hello, can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I would like a coffee.
No problem.
Simple. Real English. You can use this today.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer in your head.
The waiter asks, what would you like?
Pause. Think.
You can say, I would like a pizza.
Or, can I have some soup?
Excellent. There is no perfect answer, just practice.
Practice makes progress. Not perfect, progress.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
I would like.
Can I have?
Yes, please.
Great work today. Really, good job.
You're improving already. Even if it feels slow, it's working.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what food do you order first in a restaurant?
Coffee? Pizza? Soup?
Write it in English. Short sentences are perfect.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye, and keep practicing your English.